Michael Blackburn here. Welcome back to my videos. Before I show y'all what we're going to be doing today, I'll just go ahead and show you. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we're going to be playing with some RCs today. Well, ARC. My other one's in the house. I burnt the motor up in it. It's a Slash with a Raptor body on it made by Traxxas. This one is an axel ACX-10. We was going on vacation one year and our vehicle broke, so we just went and camped at Carter Caves for a week, and the money that we was going to use to buy a room, my mom just bought me and my brother some RCs, so we're just playing with one of them right now. We used to go up to my cousin's house, me and my brother, and stay up there till like 3 o'clock in the morning during the summer and play with him. He put over $1,000 into his RC truck easily. He bought metal stuff, gunmetal stuff, put lights in it, new tires like 3 or 4 times, new motors. You just ran over my foot. This one has metal links, metal transmission gears, custom battery plate, and a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't even remember what I've done to it. When I first got it, I broke it the first day. I got it wet. It shouldn't be, but I got it wet because my brother's was waterproof, and I got mine wet thinking that I could do what his was doing. Well, it broke, and then I broke it like the 3rd day after I had it. I was giving it throttle and reversing it real fast, back and forth, and it burnt the transmission gears up. That's why it has metal gears in it. Here, let me drive it. Here, video. I'm gonna go try to climb the tracks on that excavator. I don't think it'll work. Can't even make it across the piece of dirt. More, not. Can't even make this track. Ooh, looks kind of bright. Yeah, I'm stuck. You see it, Joe?
Yep. Yeah, I see it.
My gosh, I can't get it positioned right. Well, battery's dead, so it's fun while it lasted. I was inside there for a while. How long have you been out here playing with it?
About 15 minutes, but I haven't charged that battery in over a week.
Well, we'd probably still be out here for another 30 minutes, but we ran it and didn't charge the battery up. So, yeah, we're gonna have to go in and charge it. That's a axel SCX10 deadbolt. I got it at Hobbytown, USA, and
it's really muddy right now.
Then it had plastic links on it. That's what they come with, and it was they were bending whenever I'd try to crawl up there at that house. On the right side of that porch and on the left, we dug holes and made tracks with it, and then on the hill behind of it, we was trying to make bridges, but it rained and tore it all down. Then under that porch on the left side, we had some. Yeah, we just put city water in, and it goes plumb back there and over that way. So, I guess that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Michael Blackburn signing out.